If you haven't seen us before, we're Ben and Sarah from Pack Lunch and Travel, taking you with us in search of waterfalls around the world, one road trip at a time. After 4 years of trying to sell our shared ownership flat, we've finally escaped our terrible housing association, packed our lives into storage, bought a car, loaded it, and set off on what we hope will be the most epic run of finding waterfalls yet.
We are in Luxembourg and we are going to find every single waterfall the country has to offer. So for our first waterfall of the day, the waterfall name will be below because I can't pronounce it. And we're about 30 minutes out from the middle of Luxembourg.
Loads of space in the car park and it's free, brilliant.
Car park. You walk straight across the road and you'll see a map. So we're here, assumingly, and we'll just follow this trail. And I'm hoping that's the waterfall. They even have the sign of the route on the tree. Which is quite handy, isn't it? Yeah. Look at that, it's like a massive gorge.
I just saw that.
We just crossed the road and we literally just walked into like a gorge.
It's incredible. There's a gap in the rock there that looks cool.
Yeah. Already there's quite a lot of cars here. And it's barely 9 o'clock in the morning and it's already looking busy. We've only walked about 5 seconds and there's trail markers telling you which way to go.
They're everywhere, look, on that tree.
Luxembourg know how to do trails, which we kind of expected because the rest of Europe where we've been has been very well signposted.
Always has.
So it's always good. Got onto like a little board walk sort of passageway.
Nice.
Very good condition. It's like 2 miniature waterfalls. Continue down the steps.
You can really hear the water now. We found it.
First waterfall in Luxembourg. It took about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, very easy walk.
From the car park.
Quite relaxing, through forest and trees, really nice.
Lovely trail. Plenty of space in the car park, but it is quite popular, so definitely one to get here early for. And the waterfall is lovely.
That's what I was going to say, it's lovely, yeah. Our second waterfall of Luxembourg is 1 minute down the road and it should be a free car park. Car all parked, it's free. Lots of people taking advantage of that. And now we're going to look at the sign. And follow everyone else. 1 kilometre hike through lovely forestry.
This is one long hike, you can do the whole thing. They join together, pathways along the river. So you could do them both walking. And trees.
Wow. So green.
Yeah.
A really good path.
It's lovely, isn't it?
We walked about 15-20 minutes again for this second waterfall. We've reached these steps and we'll just follow them now and it should be down here. Very, very green, isn't it? The water.
I think we found it.
It's a very unique waterfall.
That is lovely.
Beautiful. in the over 200 waterfalls we've seen, nothing like this one.
Very unusual and definitely worth a stop.
Third waterfall of this video, searching for waterfalls in Luxembourg. We have parked in a park and ride. It's a free car park and we are 10 minutes from Waterfall Syre and our final waterfall of Luxembourg is upon us.
I'm hoping that we can get across this main road at some point.
So car park's over there. We've just crossed the road and gone out to this little pathway. Took about 17 minutes from Luxembourg to get here. And so I can hear rushing water.
Yeah, me too.
So we're under the bridge. Took about 10 minutes so far. It's not a classic alpine path, but now we're on a path. Waterfall 210.
Oh yeah, 210. That's the path we should have been on, look.
Oh, there's a sign. Is this it?
I don't know. We found the last waterfall of Luxembourg.
Ah, there it is.
Here it is.
There's a little pathway. So we can get closer. The waterfall.
Lovely. And so this completes our trifecta of waterfalls in Luxembourg. Tick!
Pretty easy hike too what we've done here. Free parking everywhere we've been. What more could you ask for?
So we've enjoyed our short stay here in Luxembourg and it is on to the next country.
That's 210 in the books.
Oh yeah, I nearly forgot.
See you in the next one.